So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to join a class on Google Classroom. So the first thing you need is to ensure that you have downloaded the Google Classroom app. So once you've done that, you click on the app and you will see this page that will come up. The next thing that you would do is click on the plus sign that is at the bottom of your screen. If you are using a laptop, the plus sign would be at the top. So on phones and other devices, your plus sign will be at the bottom. So you click on the plus sign and you will see two options: create a class or join a class. If you're a student, you want to join a class, so you click on join class, and then you will see it comes up where it says ask your teacher for the class code. Then you enter it here. So the code that your teacher will provide you with, you're going to click there and then you would type in the code. After you have typed in the code, you then proceed to click join. Join is found at the top of the page, so you click join and then you wait a few seconds to see the class that you're currently joining. So you, at the end of it, you will see the class and everything that is in the class will come up. At the bottom you will see classwork, you will see people who are in the class, and all the information that your teacher posts will be on the stream. So everything is on stream. Any announcements that the teacher wants you to know will be found on the stream. Any classwork that is posted will be shown here. And in my next video, I will show you how to upload work that you have completed to Google Classroom.